everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining. Today's episode we will know 15 must-haves for luxury kitchen, so let's start today's episode. Number 1. Larger kitchens with more space. Bigger is better. With more people working from home or working hybrid jobs, homeowners want larger homes, overall. People also expect more from their kitchens now than ever. So luxury modern kitchen designs have more living space, more eat-in room, more storage, and more workspace. Number 2. Dual kitchen islands. One interesting design trend right now is that homeowners want more work surfaces in their kitchens. If you have more than one cook, you need more elbow space for everyone. Having 2 kitchen islands is a great way to do this. Then you have one island for guests, or a homework station, and one for food prep. This style of kitchen works well for larger households and multi-generational living arrangements, especially if your in-law suite doesn't have its own kitchenette. It's also perfect for those who love to have large gatherings of friends and family who prioritize entertaining. Number 3. A stylish statement sink. The most popular statement sinks this year would still be farmhouse sinks. They are huge and versatile rectangular-shaped sinks that are as practical as they are beautiful. Farmhouse sinks are available in white porcelain, stainless steel, brass, copper, black, and even glass finishes. You can add accessories to them, as seen in the image above, like draining racks, cutting boards, and silverware trays. Number 4. An attached home office. Many of our clients' luxury kitchen designs include home offices adjacent to the kitchen. Whether you desire dual home offices or just one workable office space, having at least one office beside the kitchen allows you to monitor the happenings in the household and divvy up your time between work and cooking in the afternoons. To make it even better, choose kitchen features involving clean lines and ecological materials that support your values and sustainability. Number 5. A butler's pantry. A butler's pantry provides ample extra storage space for stemware, fine china, fine silverware, and table linens. Today, it is generally located beside the kitchen and often between the kitchen and formal dining room so that the counter space can be utilized for food service. A butler's pantry can also perform double duty as a wet bar with space for custom wine storage if you prefer. Number 6. A scullery or prep kitchen. If you are more interested in food prep and hiding your cooking mess than having a place specifically for the storage of fine china, a scullery may be your best bet. It can also be called a prep kitchen or a second kitchen. A scullery is generally a hidden smaller room with cabinetry, shelving, and counter space for food prep. It generally also has a sink for cleanup and may have a second dishwasher, as well. Some sculleries also have a second refrigerator or freezer. It's also the best place for storing small countertop appliances out of sight. Number 7. Glass partitions or glass doors. While the open floor plan concept is still quite popular, things are changing in home design, especially in the luxury market. People want to have the ability to go to a home office and shut the door for an online meeting. Glass partitions with glass doors will work well for a little Zoom privacy. Or, consider interior swinging French doors as seen in our modern craftsman home above. Number 8. Exciting, bold cabinet colors. A white kitchen has a timeless appeal. And with white cabinets, it's easy to introduce colors through tile, paint, appliances, or wallpaper that could be more easily changed. But in a new kitchen trend recently, many people are going beyond white to infuse color into the kitchen in new ways, adding their own sense of style. Some of the most popular colors, other than white, include black, dark gray, blue, or green kitchen cabinets. Number 9. Hardwood floors. Dining rooms and living spaces have enjoyed the beauty of hardwood floors for years, in many homes. But today, luxury homeowners also want wide planked hardwood floors like rustic hickory to continue into the kitchen, as well. This is one of those kitchen ideas that is here to stay. Hardwood flooring isn't just beautiful and functional for your family, it can increase your home's resale value, as well. Especially in the luxury market. Number 10. The perfect kitchen lighting. During the day, the best lighting for your kitchen is natural light from a wall of windows, a skylight, or a dormer window in the ceiling. See image below. But for artificial lighting, LED lighting takes the cake with luxury kitchen lighting today. Today our episode so far. If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And Ye Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.